So today I'm going to be reviewing the Color Farm steamer. This is an ionic facial steamer. So in the steamer box, you're going to get a steamer, and this is what the steamer looks like. It does have a cover, and it has an area where you can put the liquid. It also has a headband thing. So I'm just going to put the headband on like that, and then it also does come with a bag that you can keep your headband in, and it also has stickers and stuff and a manicure set. So let's get steaming. So the first thing that I'm going to do is fill up the water in the steamer, and for that you're going to be using distilled water, and you want to open up the compartment and just put the water in there. And you steam your face about 2 to 3 times a week is good if you don't have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, once a week is good enough. Once you've closed this, close it tightly, the next thing that you do is just take it and you're gonna put it in here, just like that. So you're gonna be turning on the steamer by pressing this button right here. It takes about 10 seconds for the steamer to start working. You'll be able to hear the steamer working, and then you'll be able to see a blue light in the middle area. You see the blue light showing, and that's when the steam is coming out. So using the steamer helps you, it penetrates into your skin, it keeps your skin moisturized, and it also helps clear your pores. If you have clogged up pores, it helps clear your pores, and it also clarifies your complexion, really makes your complexion look good. This is good for all skin types, so it's amazing. So there's instruction on the box showing you how to use it, and you can keep your face about 7 to 7.9 inches away from the nozzle. Don't keep it too close. You want to keep it a little bit of a distance like this. One thing I love about this facial steamer is once the water finishes, once it's like 15 minutes long, it shuts down. So you just see it just shut down, and I'm good. My face feels good.